In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags in ClickUp. Tags are a simple, flexible way to label your work so you can sort, filter, and spot important tasks at a glance. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to apply and toggle tags with confidence. First, head to the overview page of your team space in your workspace. This is the high-level area where you can see your folders, lists, and projects. From here, choose the specific list or project that contains the task you want to tag. Opening the correct list keeps everything in context and ensures the tag shows up where your team expects to see it. Next, open the task you want to work with. This brings up the task panel where you can edit details, assign people, change statuses, and of course, manage tags. Inside the task, look for the tags option. It typically appears near the top of the task pane or alongside other task properties. Click tags to open the tag selector. Now you can apply tags. Click any tag you want to add it to the task. Tags are usually color-coded and you can apply more than one if that helps categorize the work. For example, you might click a tag such as improve usability to indicate the type of work involved. If your team uses tags to signal urgency or effort, you can also click a tag like low to suggest priority. If there's a tag called none that your team uses as a placeholder or to reset a previous label, click that as well to keep your categorization consistent. To draw attention to something that needs quick review, you can click a tag like highlight. Once selected, it will appear on the task, making it stand out in list and board views. If you change your mind, simply click highlight again to toggle it off. That same click to toggle behavior applies to any tag you've added, so it's easy to clean up or adjust tags as work evolves. A few quick tips to make tags work harder for you. Keep tag names short and consistent so filters are easier to use. Avoid applying too many tags to a single task and align on a small set of tags your whole team understands. After you apply your tags, you'll see them directly on the task and in your list or board, which makes filtering and reporting much more effective. That's it. You navigated to your workspace overview, opened the right list, selected the task, clicked tags, and applied or toggled the tags you need, including options like improve usability, low, none, and highlight.